Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can turn off or restart our Samsung Galaxy phone without the power button. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, we have to go to our quick setting panel. We can swipe down our screen like this and swipe down one more time. And here we just need to click on this power icon. Then here we will have option to turn off or restart. And actually, there is another way to turn off or restart our Samsung Galaxy phone without the power button. We can go to our assistant menu. This is my assistant menu, and here we just need to click on the power off menu. Okay, and here we have option to turn off or restart our phone. If this assistant menu hasn't appeared on your Samsung Galaxy phone, you can go to your setting. Then you have to activate this assistant menu by going to the accessibility setting, and you can click on interaction and dexterity, and here you can activate the assistant menu on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn off or restart our Samsung Galaxy phone without the power button. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.